Hey, what's happening, y'all? Check it out. Another tutorial. I'm feeling super motivated. This one is setting up temperate white springtails on clay. I was a charcoal dude for years, but shout out to Josh Yates, Frog and Frawn, his Springtail media. So these are all the supplies. Here's an 8-ounce deli cup with lid, no holes, a scale, a spoon to mix the water and the clay. And this is one of my cultures that I'm going to add the springtails to the new culture. So let's get into it. And RO water, which I spray into the 8-ounce deli cup. So yeah, first let's zero out the scale, and we're going to add 3 ounces of clay to this 8-ounce deli cup. So 3 ounces you're going to see on the scale. I like to weigh it out because it's just easy and it works every freaking time. Thanks again, Josh. You guys go hit him up. He's a good dude and his clay is awesome. His springtail cultures are awesome. Anyway, so measuring to 3 ounces. Okay, so what are we? 2.8, almost there, almost there, almost there. And boom, there we go. 3 ounces. So now let's add the water, and we're going to add about another, it's about half, little bit more than half by weight. So we're looking at, we want to hit about 4.6, 4.7 ounces. And again, that's, yeah, hear that Ofaga in the background, that Pamilio, every single freaking video. Anyway, so we are adding the water, and now it's time. It's almost there, 4.5, 4.7, good enough, we're done, 4.6. And we are going to stir this up. Just stir it until it's a nice consistency. I really stir it well. You see, I sped up this video because it takes a while to really get it to stir it in nicely, and it'll come out like a nice smooth mud. You'll kind of get the feel, but when you measure it, when you weigh it out like this, you can't go wrong. So that's why I like to weigh it. There you go. Now the next thing is to add springtails from an existing culture. And that's, I mean, guys, that it's as easy as that. And I was a clay culture hater because I just couldn't get the consistency right. But there you go. Add the springtails, add a little springtail food, yeast, dried uncooked rice, etc. I use this springtail food from DB Pets. It's great. Anyway, that's it, guys. Done and done. Put a date on it and you are done. All right. Peace. Have a good one.